Before we start, I would like to apologize for the delay in the start of the seminar because of the Delhi traffic rules. Continuing with the seminar, on behalf of the Center for Land Warfare Studies, we welcome you all to today's seminar on Russia's foreign policy in a changing global order, its regional implication and impact on Indo-Russian strategic partnership. It is indeed a great pleasure for us to have Mr. Sergei Karmelito, the senior counselor from the Embassy of Russian Federation to the Republic of India. Mr. Karmelito graduated from the University of Moscow with a specialization in modern Indian history. He worked as a trainee with TASS Bureau in India in 1978. He later progressed to the position of the correspondent and subsequently chief in the Bureau of TASS News Agency in India from 1989 to 1993. Between 1994 to 2006, he was the editor-in-chief of ITAR TASS News Agency and also a member of the board in the same institute. From 2006 to 2009, he was the chief of the Bureau of ITAR TASS News Agency in New Delhi, India. Throughout his journalistic career, he authored many news reports and articles on political, economic and cultural life of India and other matters. He is also a member of the Journalistic Union of Russia with the celebrated title of Honored Cultural Worker of the Russian Federation. He has also been decorated with one of the highest civilian award, the Order of Honor. He has been working as a senior counselor in the Russian Embassy in India since November 2009. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation, sir. Today we have a very distinguished panel with a diverse background as well. Our first speaker for the day is Professor Sanjay Kumar Pandey. Professor Pandey is a chairperson for Center for Russian and Central Asian Studies, School of International Studies, JNU, New Delhi. He teaches foreign policy at the master's level, foreign policy of the Central Asian states at the MPhil level, and he also specializes in political system and processes in India and Russia with special focus on ethnicity, nationalism and comparative federalism. Professor Pandey has a wide-ranging association with international academia like University of Cambridge. Among the host of publications by Professor Pandey, prominent for today's topic are Reassessing Russian Foreign Policy, Eurasianism and Pragmatism Combined, and Asia in the Debate of Russian Identity. Our second speaker for the day is Major General Bishambar Dayal, BSM. General Dayal has a master's degree in defense studies and is a keen student of global defense industry and ever-changing procurement procedures. An armored corps officer, he joined the reputation of a thoroughbred professional possessing a vast knowledge of military machines. He commanded an armored regiment during Operation Parakram and an armored brigade in Western Theatre. He excelled in his assignment as Deputy Military Attaché in Indian Embassy in Moscow and later as Deputy Director General in Weapons and Equipment Directorate at Integrated Headquarters of Ministry of Defence. A great exponent of Indo-Russian friendship and partnership, he recently played a key role in enabling ASSOCHAM and SIRPANC Russia organize a seminar in Moscow for Indian private defense industry and Russian defense manufacturers. More than 40 companies and OEMs participated in this seminar. The third speaker and the chair for the day is Ambassador Ashok Sajjanar. Ambassador Sajjanar is the Secretary, National Foundation for Communal Harmony, which he joined in April 2013. He is a postgraduate in physics from Delhi University and a career diplomat. Ambassador Sajjanar joined the Indian Foreign Services in July 1978 and since has served as Ambassador of India to Kazakhstan, Sweden and Latvia. He has also held several significant and senior positions in the Indian embassies in Washington, Moscow, Brussels, Geneva, Bangkok, Tehran and Dhaka. A keen proponent of Indian culture, he was the director of Jawaharlal Nehru Cultural Center in Moscow, where he was instrumental in ushering in a new paradigm in cultural diplomacy. He held the position of the Director, Indian Foreign Services Institute, New Delhi from 1992 to 1994. Ambassador Sajjanar has been decorated by the Kazakh government with the Kazakh President's Medal and also with the National Award for Government of Latvia for his work. Currently, Ambassador Sajjanar is President, Institute of Global Studies, visiting professor at the Center for Research in Rural and Industrial Development, Chandigarh, and member governing board of Sanskriti Education Foundation, Indian Institute of Law and Management, BPM's Center of International Studies and several others. I would like to thank all the panelists present here for accepting our invitation. Now we would like to request General Nagal, Director Center for Land Warfare Studies, to please deliver the welcome remarks.